Hello and welcome to Easy English Daily. Today we're starting with a simple but essential lesson: how to introduce yourself in English. Here are 5 easy steps to follow. Start with a greeting. Say hi or hello. You can also use good morning or good afternoon. To say your name, my name is Sarah, or simply I'm Sarah. 3. Share where you're from. I'm from Spain, or I come from Spain. 4. Talk about what you do. I'm a student. I work as a teacher. Or I'm learning English. 5. End politely. It's nice to meet you. Or I'm happy to be here. Let's hear a full example. Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm from Spain. I'm a student and I'm learning English. It's nice to meet you. Now, it's your turn. Practice introducing yourself in English and write your introduction in the comments below. Thank you for joining today's lesson. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Easy English Daily for more lessons. See you in the next video.